Hello everyone. Hola, I'm your Professor Aguilar. Welcome to Spanish 101. I have created this short PowerPoint for you so we can get to know each other. Let's go over this short PowerPoint that I have created. Um, Welcome to Spanish 101. This is going to be an introduction to Spanish, and I'm your Professor Aguilar. My background education comes. I have a master's degree in Spanish language and literature that I got from Cal State Long Beach in December of 2017, last year. I also have a university diploma in Italian language and culture that I got from the Campus Il Infinito, which is a university located in the city of Recanati, Italy. I have a BA in Spanish language and literature from Cal State Long Beach as well, and I also have an AA degree, in modern languages, which is an emphasis in Spanish and French, and I got it from Santa Ana College, which is this campus that I call home. It feels great to be back home. As you can see, I love to learn different languages. I can speak a little bit of Italian, French, obviously. I'm sorry, French, and obviously Spanish. It's my native language. You can call me Professor Aguilar or Professor Aguilar. Um, I go by Profe. It's a short term for professor. From the state of Morelos in Mexico, of course. And I moved here to California in 2005. Uh, and I love to travel the world, to read, to listen to music whenever I have free time. And of course, I love to play soccer. My favorite food is the Mexican food, and I really love it. Um, I used to teach at Cal State Long Beach when I was doing my master's program for 3 semesters, and uh, I hope we have a great time together learning in this class. See you soon, guys. Hasta luego.